Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add colorful border in Google Docs. Two ways I'll add colorful border in Google Docs. First way, I'll add border around paragraphs, selected paragraphs. Now select format option and here you will find this paragraph style and select border and shading and active here first four border option and border white I'll choose 2 and border color and padding I choose 3. Now select apply and see this border already created. Now I'll insert page border whole page. Select insert option. Now select drawing option and select new and select a text box icon. Text box border white I choose 3 and border color I choose red color. Now select insert and select here in front or behind option. Now select here fix on page and increase your border area. And now see this our colorful border already added. Also you can edit this border. Select 3 dot option, size and rotation. Here you will find this. Manually you can increase, decrease height, weight. Also you can move position here, vertical and horizontal position. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.